Happy birthday, Daddy.
How about you, Boo Boo?
And happy birthday to you, Daddy. Happy birthday to you, Daddy. Happy birthday to you, Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Clap your hands, go. Woo! And we will miss you. And happy birthday. And this night, we're gonna make a surprise for you and make you some cards. But I'm not gonna tell you what the nighttime surprise is. Bye, Daddy, and happy birthday. And thank you for doing everything. And on Friday, we're going to a hotel with you. And it's so exciting!
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kunal Sid. Happy birthday to both of you.
Happy birthday, Kunal.
Happy birthday. Wish you very, very happy birthday, Kunal.
खुश रहो, लंबी आयु हो, खुशियों भरा ये साल.
Stay blessed. God bless you. Happy birthday, Veer. Happy birthday, Zian.
Happy
For your
birthday,
papa, for your daddy. Okay. And happy birthday, Siddharth. Happy birthday, Kunal, once again. And God bless you, all of you. Okay? Wish you very, very happy birthday, Richa. Stay blessed. And plan your day. Go and enjoy outside with the kids. Okay? Very, very happy birthday, once again.
हैप्पी बर्थडे कुणाल. 2 लाइनें आपके लिए. कभी दीप जगमगाए, कभी तारे झिलमिलाए, तेरी जिंदगी की राहें सदा यूं ही मुस्कुराए. कभी दीप जगमगाए, कभी तारे झिलमिलाए, तेरी जिंदगी की राहें सदा यूं ही मुस्कुराए. कभी दीप जगमगाए. तू जहाँ जहाँ भी जाए, वहीं पर बाहर आए. तू जहाँ जहाँ भी जाए, वहीं पर बाहर आए. तू दुखों से दूर रहकर सदा यूं ही मुस्कुराए. तेरे वास्ते फरिश्ते साजों में गुनगुनाए. तेरे वास्ते फरिश्ते साजों में
आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. You are one of the most precious gems in our family. By your deeds and actions, you have become inspiration for the whole family and younger generation. I am really impressed by your love and dedication for your patients. In addition, you are also a loving father and loving and caring husband. I pray to God to fulfill all your desires once again, happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बच्चे. Kunal, your parents welcome you into this world on this day, and we are very grateful to God that you made your way into our world as well. You are a very cool, loving and a wonderful husband, a father and a son. In fact, you are a wonderful person, and I hope that you have a wonderful birthday today to match. May your all dreams are fulfilled, and may you sparkle and shine like a star as you are, and your day should be as lovely as your smile, and may God bless you with all the happiness in life, and have a very great day and a lucky year. Love you loads, love you lot. Happy birthday once again.
हैप्पी बर्थडे. हम पार्थ बनेंगे तो वो अर्थात कृष्ण हमारे सारथी बनेंगे. हमारा लक्ष्य अर्जुन की तरह होना चाहिए, तभी कृष्ण हमारे रथ के सारथी अर्थात हमारे पथ प्रदर्शक बनेंगे. सजती रहे यूं ही मेरे अपनों की महफिल, और हर महफिल यूं ही सुहानी रहे. भगवान आपको इतनी खुशियां दे कि हर खुशी आपकी दीवानी रहे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
बार दिल
ये आए
बार दिल ये
गाए जियो हजारों साल
ये मेरी है
आरज़ू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Malji.
Happy
Birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे. मैं सोच रहा था कि आपके बर्थडे पे कुछ लिखूं. एक बार पहले भी लिखा था, कोशिश करी थी, और सोचा, फिर ध्यान आया, एक हरिवंश राय बच्चन की कविता याद आ गई. उसके बाद मैंने सोचा लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं. पहले वो कविता के थोड़ी सी मैं बताता हूँ. उसमें ये था कि मैंने चिड़िया से पूछा कि मैं तुम पर कविता लिखना चाहता हूँ. उसने पूछा तुम्हारे कविता में मेरे परों की रंग है? मैंने कहा नहीं. उसने कहा तुम्हारी कविताओं में मेरी कंठ की मिठास है? मैंने कहा नहीं. उसने कहा तुम्हारी कविता में मेरे परों की उड़ान है? कहा नहीं. उसने कहा तुम्हारी कविता में मेरे शरीर की जान है? मैंने कहा नहीं. तो उसने कहा फिर तुम मेरे पे क्यों कविता लिखना चाहते हो? मैंने कहा क्योंकि मुझे तुमसे प्यार है. उसने एक लाइन कही, प्यार का शब्दों से क्या सरोकार है. सो ये बात है. मैंने कहा प्यार करना है, प्यार होता है, प्यार है, तो मेरा प्यार किट्टू से वहाँ उड़ के पहुँच जाएगा. मैं कुछ लिखूँ या ना लिखूँ, मेरे दिल से उस तक पहुँच ही जाएगा. सो इसलिए आज मैंने कोई कोशिश नहीं करी कि मैं अपने दिल से निकले हुए कुछ भी शब्द लिखूँ. इसके बजाय मैंने कुछ इधर उधर से कुछ चीज़ें इकट्ठी करी जो मेरे दिल की फीलिंग को मेरे वो एक्सप्रेस करती हैं. वो चंद लाइनें बोलता हूँ. मेरा बच्चा कि जन्मदिन के खास लम्हे तुम्हें मुबारक, आँखों में बसे नए ख्वाब तुम्हें मुबारक, ज़िंदगी जो लेके आई है आज वो तमाम खुशियों की सौगात मुबारक. मेरे बच्चे को जन्मदिन की बहुत 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 मुबारक हो. इसके साथ एक और कुछ लाइनें अगेन मेरी नहीं है, लिखी हुई है मैंने, कि ख्वाहिशों के समंदर के सब मोती तेरे नसीब हों, तेरे चाहने वाले हम सफ़र हमेशा तेरे करीब हों. अब जब हम सफ़र की बात करता हूँ तो मेरी बच्ची ऋचा की बात आती है. तो कुछ लाइनें तुम दोनों के लिए बेटा। वो भी मैंने नेट से ली हैं, तो उसको मेरे को पढ़ना पड़ेगा। मैं याद नहीं कर पाया हूँ क्योंकि टाइम बहुत कम मिला था। सो जस्ट बी विद मी। मैं रीड कर रहा हूँ बेटा। किट्टू आपके लिए। While you were just a small boy, I answered all those many questions. I gladly accepted each cherished hug, the small hands holding tight. You are no longer my little boy, instead you're a man, but I'll always hold you in my heart, though I no longer hold your hand. And रिचा बेटा आपके लिए, मेरे बेबी के लिए। I hope you know what you mean to me, even though at first I had no idea how precious you would be. To see happiness you have brought to this man, my little boy, I'm so very thankful and my heart is filled with joy. As the love you have for one another blossoms, blooms and blooms, I see a beautiful flower garden and you, Richa, the perfect rose. I love you मेरे बेबी। एंड कंक्लूड करता हूँ किट्टू, मुझे बड़ी खुशी होती है बेटा जो आप काम कर रहे हो इस समय। जब आप मेडिकल लाइन में आए थे तो मैंने कुछ कहा था आपको, कुछ सजेस्ट किया था, कुछ रिक्वेस्ट की थी। आप वो चीज़ बड़ी अच्छी से डिलीजेंटली कर रहे हो। आप बेटा उसको कैरी ऑन करो। इस पीरियड में आप लोग जो पेशेंट्स की सर्विसेज कर रहे हो, आप कोविड के लिए कर रहे हो रिचा, और ज़्यादा क्रॉनिक डिसीज़ के लिए कर रहे हो। आई रियली फील प्राउड ऑफ बोथ ऑफ यू। एंड मैं ही नहीं, आपके पेरेंट्स, पापा मम्मी भी। एंड मेरे को बड़ी खुशी होती है बेटा आप दोनों ने, किट्टू आपके दादा दादी, आप पापा मम्मी, रिचा आपने अपने पेरेंट्स का, हम लोग का नाम बहुत ऊंचा किया। आई रियली फील प्राउड ऑफ यू। गॉड ब्लेस बोथ ऑफ यू। एंड किट्टू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। आई नो बहुत बड़ा वीडियो बन गया। लव यू बेबी, मिस यू। कम सून, बाय।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ding 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 ding. Ay bu kaçı. Happy birthday, Fufu.
Happy birthday. Wishing you the best in this year ahead. Have lots of fun. Enjoy every moment. These years are so special. The boys are growing up so well, and you and Charit, you're looking so beautiful. Live it up. Hope we really get to meet this year and spend some time. Love you guys.
हाँ ठाकुर, बैठ के बियर पियेंगे, मजे करेंगे। बाय।
Naidu, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Hey Kunal Bhai, happy birthday. We love you. We're hoping to meet with you soon. Hope you have a fantastic day, brother. Love you.
Hey, happy birthday. Lots and lots of good wishes. Hope you're enjoying your day and finally get some time out. Thank you for all the selflessness that you have done over the past 6-8 years, 6-8 months for going out, treating COVID patients. So I know there's 3 words we have to describe Kunal. What is selflessness, funny, and
Loving.
Very loving.
And sexy.
Sexy.
Love you, brother. Hope to connect. We need to have boys' night out. Happy birthday again. Enjoy.
Happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, bhai. You are an amazing person with great sense of humor. You are a true inspiration for us on how you are supporting during this pandemic time. You are a true hero, so we salute you. We are truly blessed to have you as a part of our family. Wish you the very best in life and enjoy your special birthday. Love you.
Hey Kunal, wish you a very happy birthday. You are a gem of a person who deserves a wonderful birthday. We have so many beautiful memories with you. The fun we had at Richard's baby shower, your commentary at Niagara, and all the get-togethers, our late-night dhamals. Keep spreading happiness and joy like you always do. Have fun. Hoping Corona to get over soon so that we can celebrate together. Take care. See you soon. Love you.
Hi Kunal Fufu, happy birthday. You are one of my role models and I look up to you as you are one of the very few doctors in our family. Your dedication has inspired me to start my journey to become a doctor, and you are the person I turn to whenever I need help with some school project about medicine. Whenever I need your help, I text or call you and you're always there to help me out in whatever way possible. You're such a fun person to be around, and I enjoy all of the silly talks me, you, and Arushi have, and the Backstreet Boys jam sessions we have. I don't think anybody else imitates our friends like you do, and I love all of the jokes you make. I hope you have an amazing day. Love you.
Hi Kunal Fufu, happy birthday. You're a really great inspiration to me, and you're a really great person. It's always so much fun to have you around, and we have a lot of great memories together. All the nights that we stayed up and ate Maggie, and we played so many fun board games. And anytime I need you, you're always there for me. So have fun on your birthday, and love you.
Hey Corona Warrior.
Hey Ranbir Kapoor.
Hey, the best comedian of our family.
And a Hawaii-loving husband.
And a loving parent. And many more roles that you play. We are sure that you are awesome at it. Here's wishing you on this
अरे संतोषी माँ का जगराता है भैया
day a very happy birthday to you. God bless you with a fabulous year ahead. We are very, very fortunate to have you in our lives. Lots of love. Love you, bhai.
Bye, Bia.
Hi Bia, very happy birthday to you.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Kunal Bhaiya. So proud of you for leading the COVID team.
And we wish you so much love, health and prosperity.
Cheers.
Hey Kunal bhai, happy birthday.
Hi Jiju, happy birthday. God bless you. I hope you're having fun on your birthday, and obviously with both the kids, Veer and Jan. And I'm pretty sure Richa Didi is making it a special one for you. I know we guys are not there, but
We'll miss you, man. We'll miss you. Hopefully we'll see you soon.
yes, have a blast, Jiju. Love you.
Take care.
Kittu.
हैप्पी बर्थडे किट्टू भैया, कैसे हो? आई होप वीडियो पे एक आध बारी तो हंस दिए होगे, या कोई ना कोई तो हंस ही दिया हो शायद. देखो, मैं यही सोच रहा था कि यार बचपन से ना वन थिंग दैट आई हैव लुक्ड अप इन यू इज आपका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. सो बस आज सोचा कि यार वो शोकेस होना चाहिए किसी तरह. वैसे भी बाकी लोग बहुत सेंटी इमोशनल मैसेज दे रहे होंगे, तो मैंने कहा कि मैं एक और क्यों दे दूँ भाई. बट हाँ, अगर थोड़ा बहुत देना ही है तो आज मैं ये सोच रहा था कि आपका नाम बहुत सही सोच के रखा है यार. आप एक्चुअली की टू हैप्पीनेस, काइंडनेस, लाफ्टर और स्माइल रहे हो, एटलीस्ट मेरे लिए. कंफर्ट भी टू अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स. एंड बस जल्दी बात करते हैं यार. बहुत बहुत सारा प्यार आपको, भाभी को, वीर, ज़ियान और सिद्धार्थ को भी. एंड आई होप इस टाइम में और कुछ मिले न मिले आपको इस तरह का केक मिल जाए और ऐसा टाइम मिल जाए, एक आध मिनट आपके साथ जब आप इतने खोए हुए हो अपने केक पे, अपने बर्थडे पे.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear to you. Happy birthday to
birthday to you.
Many happy returns of the day, Kunal Bhaiya. So proud of you for leading the COVID team.
And we wish you so much love, health, and prosperity.
Cheers.
Happy
birthday,
Kunal
Jiju.
Stay
safe and stay blessed. Enjoy your day. Bless you.
Kunal Fufu, happy birthday. I love you so much. I miss you making me laugh and making stupid jokes all the time and just like being with you guys, and I hope we can meet soon. Have the best day ever.
Happy birthday, Kunal Fufu. I hope you have a great birthday and all of your wishes come true, and make sure you have fun on this special day. And I wish you a happy birthday, and you're very inspiring and really funny, and maybe I'll become a doctor like you one day. We'll see. Anyways, happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey Kunal, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe. God bless. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kunal Jiju. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, tera happy birthday. Oh, tera happy birthday. Oh, tera happy birthday. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Kunal Jiju. Have a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you in the
Hi Jiju, happy birthday. God bless you. Have a great
Happy
day.
birthday, Kunal Jiju. I hope you have an amazing birthday. And the only gift that I can give you is a reason to come back to India. So you have a perfect reason to come back. Hopefully next year. And excited to see all of you with the babies. And take care. Love you so much.
Happy birthday from Denmark, Kunal. Wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you enjoy it. Have fun.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday
to you.
Jiju.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kunal Jiju. Wish you a many happy returns of the day. God bless you with lots of happiness, long life, and great future. And here Ravish wants to wish you. Ravish?
Happy birthday, Kunal Ji. Many happy returns.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Kunal.
Have a wonderful day.
And an amazing year ahead.
And lots of fun.
Hope lots of luck, joy and happiness comes your way. Happy birthday.
Kunal, happy birthday. Have a great day. God bless you.
Jiju. God bless you, beta.
A very happy birthday to you, Jiju. May God bless you. Love you. See you.
Happy birthday, Kunal Jiju. I'm pretty sure Rachadi has already made it really special for you. But I hope you have an amazing day ahead and even a better year ahead. Take care.
Oh. Happy birthday, Boo Boo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kunal Boo Boo. Ishu?
Ishu, happy birthday, Fufu. Happy birthday, Fufu.
बुलाने से बिठा दे. Happy birthday, Kunal Boo Boo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jiju. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kunal Jiju. Have a great year ahead and have a lovely day with your family. Enjoy your day.